you think I'm gonna let you?
Yes.
No, because you know what? It's brick. We're gonna sleep in the cardboard. Patay siya. Patay, di ba?
Happy to do that?
Di ba, patay?
Let's creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating.
Hi guys, good morning! Focus! Good morning guys! Tapos na kaming kumain. I just made egg sunny side up in, you know, toasted bread. Tammy have the sliced bread, rye bread, and I have the croissants. And this two crazy dog just give me, happy appa, happy appa, happy appa, happy appa, happy appa, happy appa. Yes, yes. Okay. Okay na. Go girl, go girl. I just put lipstick on from It's Judy Time, I think. This is the Mia Beer. Very nude lipstick. And eyebrow and eyeliner. Yun lang ginawa ko. Okay, and before I go, I have to check my video for today if it's already scheduled and already done with the thumbnails and stuff like that. Anyway, today guys is Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day everyone. Happy Valentine's Day. So yeah, Valentine's Day today, February 14, and I hope everybody, I know this is late, belated na lang. You guys you can watch this video probably next week. Yeah, it's a late vlog. Let's go take. Ready to go guys. Ready to go. Tammy is putting garbage. I thought garbage day today. I thought it's dope. You don't need anything inside? Okay. Huh?
You're supposed to be following me. What if we have to leave this car there?
Oh, I follow you?
Oh, you kidding? Yeah. What if they have to keep the car?
Okay, then my key is inside. So I guess I have to follow him. What the heck? You don't told me that.
Of course I did.
What the heck? No, it's just a driving. You want me to drive? Are you kidding me? Okay, I guess I will see you later because I have to follow him. He said I have to follow him. He looked at me like, what the heck are you doing? You following me? Why are you sitting like that? Oh, yeah, we get here. That's what I drive. Anyway, we get here already. Oh, okay, hold on. Hi guys, we're here. We went to the car dealer, and they have the car dealer is right there, and they told us to come over in this area here, which is really close to the dealer, and they have their own service right here. So Tommy's parking in there. I don't know if you can see the car right there, and then I park beside in his car. It's annoying when you follow somebody. I don't like following somebody. I don't, you know, it's just like, plus the traffic in this hour, I just hate it to follow anybody. So he went inside and he is going to fill some form, and I saw him in the back over there. I don't know if they're gonna let the car. I really thought that I'm going to like, how do you call that, I'm going to ride with him. Yeah, it's right, they're right there. Anyway guys, we stopped here in ShopRite. I don't know, I was following him, and then we're just like going to stop over here. And it's kind of a lot of people here, so I just keep following. We do grocery with 2 cars, so we're gonna go a lot of grocery right there. No, we're not gonna get another flower.
I am. That's what I came here for.
Oh, you getting flower? Yeah. Valentine's Day guys. So it's so nice, it's so colorful. Look at this, balloons, nice flowers. Oh my goodness, look at it. Look how pretty is that flower. I don't need flower. Just get something for somebody. It's nice. This is a different color. Look. Nice, right? Naaamoy ko dito guys. Ang naaamoy ko parang amoy ng patay. Oh my god. Knock the wood. Knock the wood. Naamoy ko yung patay. Parang amoy ng patay guys. Oh, that's a nice one. With a bag. Oh, sorry.
Okay.
This is really cute right here. I like this one too right here. So we end up getting something too. Cold cuts. You know what, guys? I decided not to get in it. This is ridiculous. Just because it's Valentine's Day, kumukuha na ako ng ano. Ibalik ko na lang ito.
I feel here, I can't feel here. This is where they fold it.
Yeah, but look, it's different from this. Feel this one and feel this one.
Yeah.
It's different.
This one's thicker.
This one is stronger, thick.
This is thicker. Feel the difference.
No price over there. There is price over here, but it's for this. 50 bucks. We're done here, but he's still looking for a flower. And it's so weird. What? Do you want me to drive the big one? Or the small one? Okay.
Move the seats, so stay where you are.
Okay. Okay, fine. Okay guys, hanapin ko lang tong sasakyan ko kasi hindi ko na mahanap. So, yun. Tommy says he need to go to the driveway first before me. So let's do it. Let's do it. Oh, goodness. I'll put this right here. And okay, guys. I will see you later. We came over there and we don't even lift the car. They don't even fix the car because we thought that thing in the back, Tommy thought that it's a defroster. Car defroster. What time is it? It's 9:45. So, hi my love. Hello baby. Hello baby. Ooh. Hello. Ooh, hello. It's nothing wrong with the car. It's just Tommy thought there's something. Anyway, guys, I'm just going to change, get my sleeper, and I will be right back. Look, guys, Tommy made another beautiful sandwich.
That's not food in there yet.
I know, but it's really colorful. Look at that.
Peppers, lettuce, onions, tomatoes.
Yeah. You can't open that? He got a flower from my mother-in-law. He doesn't give me none, so. Nothing for me. Anyway, guys, I just don't really want flowers. I'm happy with the cards.
Okay. Now we got everything in there except for the food.
Oh, it's right here. Cheese, another cheese, another. Yeah, ew. This is ew, guys. Bloody hell.
That's roast beef.
Yeah.
The microwave. Is that warm sandwich? Yeah, it overcooks the microwave. Yeah, okay.
Oh, don't put your head in the cellophane hubs. You don't remember when you run with a bag? You remember that? I have it in my vlog. I have that in my vlog. That he put his head in the bag holder. He do like that, and then suddenly the bag won't go. So he run like crazy. It's nasty looking. He put the ground pepper, and the onion, garlic powder. Yeah, so this is what it looks like right now. Oh, anyway, guys, this is this white thing. You see that one? It's mayonnaise, and this is mustard, and this is the Italian salad dressing. I don't know why he put Italian salad dressing in. That's his sandwich. He can have a daily now, guys. He can open a daily. Oh, you need to add more.
Oh yeah, what are you kidding? We're not
Cheese.
even close.
Oh my God, Hobbs now, Hobbsy boy. You smell good, Hobbs.
Hobbs says, you promised me you'd give me roast beef. Where is it?
And another one right here.
Devil's too.
Hobbs. Look at it. He's not close to the food, guys, so don't worry. And we're not worried anyway. He's our baby. Ano na hapon na. 2:30 na ng hapon. Why my butt is cold? Not my butt.
Warm your butt up.
We're heading to, because I want to get some fruits. I've been craving fruits for like 2 days now.
Go to the supermarket all the time.
Huh?
You go to the supermarket all the time. You never pick up any fruit. You
I
never
know.
even look at fruit. Even if I suggest fruit, you won't. You say no.
So we're gonna get few only, not like filing up, because you know we end up throwing that. So it's slowly, you know. But
Every time.
But you think I'm going to let you?
That has
Bring
nothing to do
me
with
to the
hereditary. That's stupidity.
I
There's
know.
a difference.
Are you gonna? You think I'm gonna let you?
Yes.
No, because you know what? It's brick. We're gonna sleep in the cardboard before they fix me.
Hon, what the hell do you think insurance is for?
No, insurance doesn't cover the whole freaking thing. It's hard even to find a doctor for a teeth.
It covers all but about $7,500. You gotta pay $7,500. It pays everything else.
This is sucks. Kidney is really bad because my
Kidney's a whole nother story. Kidney.
yeah.
Again, do you have kidney failure in your family?
My grandfather died because of that. My aunt just died when I was there.
Understand. Kidney failure is usually due to excessive salt.
Yeah, and then we like salty stuff.
Yeah, well, that's why I
Filipino.
tell you, watch your salt.
And look at you, you eat.
Hon,
What's my salt?
I know, hon, I know I'm bad, but you're worse. And you're way young.
No, you are the one who eat all the time, like hot dog looking thing, and then you eat the salami thing. You think there's no salt in that? The cheese.
Of course there's, hon, there's tons of salt.
Okay, then
Why do you think it doesn't go rotten for like a month? You can leave the superside. The sticks of superside will sit there for 6 months without going bad because there's so much salt preservative in it.
Yeah, and then you.
Salami, well, you buy ham or roast beef or turkey, it goes bad in a week.
We go to.
Salami can go 6 months without going bad because there's so much salt in it.
We go Stop and Shop over there, and then the CVS close to there.
That's fine.
Because I don't want to move
I'll go
here.
to CVS first because
Yeah.
bad.
Yeah.
But yeah, you have kidney issues in your family. You should watch the salt. Mom's the first kidney issue we've had in the family, and
No, it's
And
not.
that's from the
No, it's not.
diabetes.
Yeah, it's not even because the hereditary. When she have problems, she won't go, and then the doctor f it up.
Well,
so that's it. It's not really a family thing.
that's true, but it's also for the diabetes that she ignored.
Lady Lay, Lady Lay, 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 Lay.
My big breast.
Stay with the man a while.
Ito na naman kami, guys. Nasa CVS kami. At saka maraming makeup dito. Maraming brushes. Expensive brushes. You keep going, I will stay here. So, just you keep going, I stay here. We just got out from CVS, guys. Pero, wala akong kinuha na makeup, guys. Ano lang ang kinuha namin? Mga medication lang, yun lang. Lucky yung asawa ko, hindi ako bumibili. Kapag bumibili ako, patay siya. Patay, di ba, Han?
Happy to do that?
Di ba, Han, patay? Patay, Han, patay. You're too tall, Han, for vlogging, Han.
What? Patty
You're
cake,
too tall for vlogging, oh.
No, too tall.
Okay, we're gonna go to Stop and Shop. I'm gonna get some fruit also. Wow, it's getting colder now, so we're not gonna stay long out, okay? We're just gonna go get some vegetables and that's it. Pansit.
Make you stand outside till your fingers go numb.
Or are you kidding me?
No, I'm thinking of a few. No, never mind. I'm thinking never mind.
What? Pomelo, guys. Ito na naman. Knock-knock naman tayo dito. Sammy's right there. There is a dog over there, guys, barking. Barking. Ito yung Valentine's dinner namin, guys. Ayaw namin mag-order sa labas. Steak na lang ang anuhin namin, lutuin. 3 steaks and naggumawa kami ng banana. grapes, and bumili kami dito. Strawberry is my favorite. Yung pomelo. And I don't wanna do it in George Foreman grill. I wanna do it in the real grill. Because yung real grill kakaiba. Masarap siya. Oh guys, I want to tell you something. We can't even do send. I wanna send the cell phone, but me and Tammy and I debating if we're going to do it, because the problem is if we're gonna do it USPS like post office thing and then send it, it's of course it's gonna be in our country, you know, it's gonna be picked up because they won't deliver, so it's gonna be in USPS, post office. The problem is when you pick up a package from other country or anywhere, if you pick a package, you have to pay tax, whatever that fee that you have to do it in the post office before you can receive your package. And you know that they will charge you like ridiculous amount of money just to pick up, you know, a package. You should, when you pick up a package, this is a good thing about here in the US. When somebody sent you a package, anything big package like that, they will deliver it or you will pick it up. You don't have to pay nothing. You don't have to pay extra thing. In the Philippines, guys, this is the bad thing about in our country. It's always like they will charge you ridiculous amount of money for picking a package. So hi guys, I'm going to insert shout out guys to my vlog. Hi, shout out to Fi Buganutan Bagyuso. Sis, let me know if I pronounce it correct. Bagyuso. Hi sis, thank you for watching. And also shout out to Lovely Fausto. Hi sis, Lovely Fausto. Yes, thank you for watching sis. Hi. And also to Alien Wells. Hi sis, thank you for watching. Thank you Alien. Alien, what? Ano ba to? Ay, na-alien naman ito. Eileen Willis. Oh, talaga namang itong utak ko. Thank you for watching. Sorry ha, nagkamali-mali naman ito. Meron akong hindi nabasa kasi there is a one thing that I can't see because look what happened. Oh, when I screenshot, look what happened. Yun, yung phone yun. Oh, yun ang picture na nakuha. Ito kasi yun, oh, mga comment na magpa-shoutout. In-screenshot ko. If there is one that it's not included in the shoutout, I'm sorry. I screenshot everything because I don't want to go back to the notification of my comments. So anyway, thank you all guys so much for watching, and also thank you for subscribing. And yeah, so bye. What are you planning? He said he's going to do out because it's Valentine's Day. You do it? No, I do it. I do better. What? Hold on. What?
Fine, I'm out of scotch.
Yeah, you have to go with me then. Bring your scotch. What? The postal office or the postal thing in the Philippines is really sucky. You know, it's just like you have to pay for everything. Like you should be getting a gift for example, Valentine's Day or for your birthday, but you end up paying stuff, and it's ridiculous. I always put mine first before putting theirs because I want mine well done. Here's for them. Habs, come here, bug. Come here, bug. Hi, bug. Hi, bug. Hi, bug.
The room, doggy style.
That's right. Let's just fast forward like 50 times.
You're right. Nothing sexual there unless you like adult men in underoos.
Songs, and Jan can upload 180 photos. 12 seconds. That's the
You gotta put cameras in for 2 days there.
only 5.
If you each have one each.
As fast
No,
as
I
you
don't.
download.
I'm not a sandwich person. Okay, I rather eat rice. Did you see me eat rice even though you just made
Like
it?
that.